Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Inclusive Intellect. I'm your host, Farooq. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: the remarkable wonders of the human eye. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that the human eye can perceive objects as far as the horizon on a clear day? That's right. On average, a person with normal vision can see objects clearly up to a distance of about 2.4 miles, 4 kilometers. Imagine the vastness of the world we can explore through our eyes. Our eyes have a fascinating blind spot called the optic disc. This area, where the optic nerve exits the eye, lacks light, sensitive cells, making it unable to detect images. But here's the amazing part. Our brains compensate for this blind spot by filling in the missing information seamlessly. It's like our own built-in Photoshop. To find your own blind spot, you can perform a simple experiment. Extend your arm straight in front of you and make a small dot on a piece of paper. Close your left eye and the piece of paper on the dot while keeping your eye focused on the dot. Gradually move the paper closer to your face while still looking at the dot. At a certain distance, you will notice that the dot disappears from your vision. The point where the dot disappears corresponds to the location of the blind spot in your right eye. The blind spot is present in both eyes, but because our visual system combines the information from both eyes, the blind spots of each eye are usually not noticeable in our everyday vision. The brain uses various mechanisms, as mentioned earlier, to fill in the missing information from the blind spot, resulting in a continuous and coherent visual perception of the world. No blood supply in the cornea. Did you know that the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye, lacks blood vessels? Instead, it receives oxygen and nutrients directly from tears and the surrounding fluid. This unique feature allows for successful corneal transplants, as the cornea is less likely to be rejected by the immune system. Our eye color is determined by the amount and distribution of melanin, a pigment responsible for giving color to our skin, hair, and eyes. Brown, blue, green, and gray are the most common eye colors, but the variations and combinations are endless. Our eyes truly reflect our individuality. Our eyes produce tears to serve multiple purposes. These tears, composed of water, oils, mucus, and antibodies, help lubricate the eyes, wash away debris, and even express emotions. They play a crucial role in protecting and nourishing our eyes. Deep within our brains, the visual cortex plays a vital role in processing the visual information received from our eyes. It interprets colors, shapes, motion, and depth perception, allowing us to make sense of the visual world around us. It's like a powerhouse dedicated to vision. Just like fingerprints, the patterns on the iris at the back of our eyes are unique to each individual. These intricate patterns have been utilized in biometric security systems, showcasing the extraordinary individuality and complexity of our eyes. On average, we blink about 15 to 20 times per minute, which amounts to approximately 1,200 times per hour. Blinking keeps our eyes moist, protects them from irritants, and ensures their overall health. However, during intense focus activities like reading or using a computer, our blink rate may decrease, leading to dryness or eye strain. The human eye has the ability to adjust its focus, known as accommodation, to see objects at different distances. This is achieved by changes in the shape of the lens within the eye, allowing us to focus on both nearby and distant objects. While the central part of our vision provides detailed and color information, our peripheral vision is more sensitive to motion and detecting objects in our surroundings. Although less detailed, peripheral vision covers a much wider field of view. Before we wrap up, let's have some fun with intriguing facts about the human eye. Did you know that your eyes are always the same size from birth, while your nose and ears continue to grow throughout your life? The eyeball is the only organism which does not grow from birth. It is fully grown when you are born. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. And until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of knowledge. This is Farooq from Inclusive Intellect, signing off.